Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by combining the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Install Python and Node, pick an editor, and get an AI SDK. Once done, generate API keys and save them in a env file so your code can access models securely. Make sure to enable minimal permissions and billing alerts. Then scaffold a simple project folder, initialize Git, and add a requirements list. This gets you immediately to writing code that calls the model without wasting time on unnecessary setup. You now implement the core flow, write clean request and response functions, and include retry and backoff logic. Once those are in place, design prompt templates that separate instructions from user data so you can iterate quickly. Validate inputs to avoid prompt injection. Make sure to parse model outputs into structured data and wire that into your app logic and UI. As you integrate, add logging and tests so you can measure quality and improve prompts or post-processing when results drift. You finish by deploying with CI/CD pipelines, securely injecting environment secrets, and enabling monitoring for latency and errors. Once live, add rate limits, caching, and cost controls so the system remains reliable and affordable. Make sure to include rollout steps and canary tests. If things go wrong, reproduce the issue locally using request logs and mock responses, then trace through prompt variations and post-processing. Finally, iterate on prompts and model choice until outputs meet your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.